Simple home remedies for cough in children. Frequent sips of warm water. Salt water gargles. Using a humidifier at night while sleeping. Steamy shower bath or keeping a child in a steamy bathroom for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Nasal saline drops or spray for nasal irrigation. Cleaning the nose with a mucus aspirator in smaller babies. Honey in warm water if a child is more than 1 year of age. And last but not the least, kadhas made with ginger, tulsi, clove, turmeric, mulati, that is licorice. Hope this would help. Thank you. Bye-bye.